In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload a YouTube video directly from your mobile phone. So first of all, what we need to do is head over to our YouTube app. Once we open this up right here, as you can see, once you are on your home page, there is a little plus icon down at the bottom of your screen. Click on this and now you will get an option to upload a video. Once we click on this, you will now need to choose the video that you want to upload. So for example, if I just click on this 5-second clip right there, as you can see, you can then edit it into a short or do whatever you please. Click on next, and then as you can see, here is where you now create a title and your description and everything like that. So you just input in a title, so for example, tutorial. Once you've gone ahead, put in your title, your tags, your description, and once you're happy with that, you can click on the upload button. Once you click on upload, as you can see, that video will then be uploaded. And that's how easy it is to go ahead and upload a YouTube video from your mobile phone, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.